Welcome back, YouTube. Welcome back, guys. Welcome to my channel. It's your boy Jermaine here with Overtime Traders. I'm back with another banger for you guys. All right, I'm here to give you some sauce, some easy money sauce. All right, I'm gonna be showing you guys how to hit up your account. All right, grow your account. Um, I'm gonna be giving you guys two indicators that I use, all right, and how I get down. All right, guys, if you haven't yet subscribed, please hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell. All right, and let's get into the video. All right, so I'm just going to be doing a short video, guys, showing you how I do my read my indicators. All right, and show you how I make my money. All right, guys, so just so you know, it's Pocket Option. That's my broker. My link will be in the description below. All right, you guys can hit me up if you have any questions. Very easy broker to connect with. All right, very trustworthy. All right, very good broker. All right, I've been using them since I've started trading binary options. All right, any question, guys, hit me up and I'll be sure to get back at you. All right, again, subscribe, share my channel. All right, so right now, guys, I am going to show you the sauce that I use. All right, okay, so here I'm gonna show you the candles that I use first. First of all, I'm on a 1 minute candle, and I'm not using the regular candle. All right, I'm using the Heikin Ashi candle. All right, the Heikin Ashi candle. Right, that's the one we switch it to. All right, this is the one, so I already switched it. All right, so that's what it looks like. If you want to use the regular candle, it looks like that, but we're using the Heikin Ashi candle. All right, this is what it looks like. All right, so this clearly, guys, you can see the momentum is going up. All right, so we're clearly in a bullish market. All right, we can see a lot of call option. All right, a lot of call options. All right, so and this strategy, guys, is very easy for beginners. All right, if you're just getting into binary, just getting into HFX, it's fairly easy to use. All right, don't need a lot of analysis. All right, you can just follow this video and you can set up your charts and away you go. It's very easy. You're not going to get an easier one than this. All right, so I'm going to be showing you my indicators. All right, so we're going to go to here, go to indicators, and first of all we're going to put on a moving average. All right, so we hit that, boom, hit the moving average, and this is what it looks like. All right, you can also hit that little pencil, guys, and you can edit it. All right, so we're gonna change the period to 50. All right, so 50 SMA, that's the moving average. The style, I usually go P2PX, that's a bigger, so make sure the line is bigger, brighter. All right, and so you can see the line brighter. All right, so we're using a 50 moving average. All right, and that's what it looks like. Clearly, guys, you can see a lot of buy option here. All right, the second indicator we're gonna put on, all right, it's the Ichimoku cloud. All right, that's the one. All right, that's the indicator here. All right, so if you go to indicator, and it's right here. All right, so Ichimoku, and that's Kinko, Ichimoku Kinko. That's the indicator that we use. You can see here, guys. This is the channel. All right, so see this yellow line right here. It's all the way. It's right above this yellow line, all the way. All right. Okay, so I'm gonna be showing you guys how to use these indicators. So first, let's take this off. All right, and I'm gonna show you how to use the moving average. All right, so first of all, the moving average, it works like this. Anytime you go above it, you're looking for call option. Okay, there. Anytime you go above it, call option. You stay above it, call, all the way up. All right, that's how it works. All right, and in confluence with the cloud. All right, so it right here, I'll zoom in for you guys. It looks kind of a little bit a lot of noise going on here, like a lot of lines and stuff, but what you're really looking for is this line, the yellow line, and the cloud. Once we're above the cloud, okay, we are looking for a call options. Okay, if we're below the cloud, here I'll show you this one right here. All right, see, once we're below the cloud, we're looking for put option. All right, right here below put option, and we're climbing up here to come above the cloud. Okay, this is a cloud, like right here. All right, you can actually make the cloud bigger, like, so you can do P2. All right, so you can make it brighter if you want. Okay, so there, I just leave it as it is. I didn't change anything. All right, all right, so there, guys. Okay, so there it is. There is a cloud. You can see it a bit better. All right, so it's fairly simple, guys. You are looking for the cloud anytime. Right here, we're not out of the cloud, so I wouldn't trade inside the cloud. You want to get outside of the cloud, like right here and above this yellow line. All right, so you want to get above it. You want the candles to close above the yellow line. All right, and above the cloud right here. Come back over here, you're below the yellow line and you're below the cloud. Very simple. And you're also below the moving average. All right, so two things that we're using the moving average, and we're using the Ichimoku cloud here. Okay, Kinko. All right, okay, so also want to get into trade again, guys. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. All right, okay, so let's get into, so right here we're in a buy option, guys. All right, this is a strong buy candle right here. All right, if you look into, I'm looking for a put, oh sorry, a call option. All right, so we get a strong candle right there. All right, we're below. Now one thing you got to know, you can use this on a 1 minute strategy, or you can do it on a 3 minute strategy. All right, so First, we're going to look for a buy on a 1 minute strategy. Okay, guys, so I'm going to be getting into a trade here. I'm waiting for a little pullback. All right, so this is a strong up candle. Let's get into it. Whoa, 1 minute. Oh. And then we can also do a 3 minute candle to show you guys. Okay. All right. So I'll show you how many time we got. 15 seconds. So I've entered into 2 trades here, guys. All right. So we got 8 seconds, 5. All right. And there we go. All right. So that's 2 winners, guys. All right. I hit it back to back. All right. So that's how it works. All right. And it's easy sauce, guys. It's easy sauce. Any questions, let me know. Again, like, share, and subscribe to my channel. All right. And my link to this broker is in the description bar. All right. And yeah, just go out, guys, and back test this. Back test it first. Try it out on a demo account, and before you use it on a real account. Okay. So try it out first, and definitely you should have some success. All right. So this was a short video, guys, on this 2 strategies that I gave you guys for beginners. Very, very easy. All right. Again, pocket option is the broker, and I'll see you guys with another banger.